another video. I know it's been a while. I've been posting a lot of YouTube shorts, but I'm back with a little mini. As you can see, I'm gonna call this like a little bakery haul that I got. I found this and this, of course, because it's our generation, in Target, and then I found this in Walmart because, you know, my life as is the Walmart brand. So we're just gonna go through this. If you didn't know, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Hakima. I am the owner of Wildchildstudioco, which is a crafting business. We do candles and bath and body products, and then I am also a doll collector. So I collect 18-inch dolls, 14-inch dolls, and then Barbies, Rainbow High dolls, and a few LOL OMG dolls. So today we're just gonna do, I'm gonna call it a bakery accessory haul. So these are some things that you would use with your 18-inch dolls. So we're gonna get into it, shall we? And this is the first piece that I bought, which is our generation. It says the Baker's Kitchen Set. It is very cute. It has some interactive elements. It says the tea kettle whistle, and then the toaster pops up. We have a little donut maker here, a little dome piece here that holds cake and donuts. We have some utensils, some measuring cups. We have a little thing of brownies. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is the back, and it always gives you the story of our generation here on the back. And then we just have one of the little our generation dolls here. She's also available on Target.com. I haven't seen her in the store as of yet, but she comes with this little chef outfit that she has on here. So I guess they're trying to make the correlation, like if you have this doll, then you can use the doll to play with the set, or if you're a collector like myself, you just buy these things and you like to have them for photography and other places. If you don't have a Target near you, you can go onto the Target.com website or to ourgeneration.com website, and then where you can purchase these. These are retail where I am locally at $19.99 each. So let me just unbox it and we'll get in a little closer. Now, if any of you are new to my channel, you already know how I feel about doll packaging and how it tastes like, you know, they got the tape and the plastic and everything else. I'm trying to get into it. So it took me a little while to get this package open, but it is open. If you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. Like I said before, this is an Our Generation bakery haul with a little My Life As. But if you are curious to see my other videos that I have about Our Generation dolls or any of the Our Generation accessories that I've purchased and reviewed in the past, I will leave a link in the description box down below for a playlist that I will put together for you. Just take a look at those. I have reviewed the vintage hot dog cart. I have also reviewed the food truck and a few other things. So that will be, like I said, in the description box down below. So let's just get into this, shall we? So here we have here, it looks like a little, it looks like the ones you buy in the store where you can actually plug them in and make little donuts, waffles, muffins, things like that. This is so stinking cute. It's all plastic, of course. The little donuts do come out. That's what that side looks like. These are what the little donuts, and it looks like they're all chocolate donuts with different toppings on top. So we're gonna put those there. Here is the cake dome and the platter, and it does it? It does. Oh, okay, that's cute. And it does sit and it holds together, so it looks just like that. We also have a little toaster. Oh, this is so adorable. They are little bagels in here, little bagel slices. They look a little realistic, and then you just put them like so in there, and then you push it down. You see it goes down, and then you press this button. I thought you pressed this button. Huh. Now I know there are batteries in here because it says it. Okay, let me, oh, there it is. I didn't press the button down hard enough. So how about we try that one more time. Press it down. button, and there you go. And then your bagels pop out. So that's really cute, very interactive. I like that a lot. I like the color scheme. You guys know I like pink and purple, so this is really cute. So we'll put that there. And then we have a little shaker that has glitter in it for sprinkles. I think that is very cute. And I like how everything is all matchy-matchy. Here we go. Here are our little measuring cups. They are a softer plastic. They have a matte finish. They're very smooth to the touch. More like they're silicone on the outside, and then, or maybe they're plastic with the silicone base on the outside. It's hard to describe, but they're really nice and they're very soft. And then we have our little utensils. This one is the same thing. These are regular hard plastic on the bottom, but this tip is silicone here. So is the tip of the spatula. And this one as well. And the tongs are just hard plastic. Then we have our little tray of brownies, which I think these are absolutely cute. They remind me of cheesecake swirl brownies. As a former baker, that's what the bottom looks like. So this is very cute and adorable. And I wonder if they all come out. Oh, they do. So no, they look like they're cut, but they're not. They just look like that. This is the only one that's actually an individual piece right there. So that's kind of a bummer, but hey, we can pretend, can't we? And then last but not least is the little tea kettle. This is really cute. It matches everything else. Can you hear that? So adorable. It's like the little whistle when the water's ready. As you can see right here, this is where the battery goes in. So this is the Baker's Kitchen set from our generation. And then we're going to go into in the kitchen set. These sets sound very similar, so I will be right back. Okay, so I got this one open, and this one is called In the Kitchen set. As you can see, it does have some duplicates as the bakery set, but they're in a different color scheme. So let's zoom in a little bit, as you can see here. So we have another set of those adorable measuring cups, and instead of pink, we have white, same material. And then we have another set of utensils here, and instead of the white tips, these are blue. We have a little cooking pot, and the top does come off, so that is very cute. We have here, it looks like some storage containers, and they have our generation on the front. They do open. This one here kind of reminds me of a little butter dish in your refrigerator. We have this one here. This one might just be a little display tray. We have a little, it's supposed to be a squeeze bottle. It's hard plastic. You can't squeeze it. And it has little stars on there. And it has glitter in there. Is it glitter? Well, no, there's a glitter. So there is no movable glitter like the other one, but the little white piece looks like maybe sugar that you can pretend to swirl, or it could be icing, since there are cinnamon rolls in this container and it has little pink stars in the front. It's really cute. We have a little sauce pot. I am loving the design of this pot. The colors on the outside. It looks like pink stoneware. So very, very cute. Then we have a little frying pan with a top. It is the same color scheme. It has little ribs on the bottom. So like if you wanted that grilled look, that is a very, very cute. We also have these adorable cinnamon rolls in a clear dish. They all come out, so they all individual. That's what the bottom looks like. And then they have these little drizzled icing on the top. Very cute. They could be a little bit more realistic if they had the little dark color for the cinnamon in there, but other than that, they're very cute. And then last but not least is our little star of the show, which is this little adorable microwave. As you can see, it does have batteries. Very cute. It does open. And then let's see what it does, shall we? I wonder if it stops if you open it. And then it beeps. And as you can see, the lights in there, so adorable. And then these don't work, just the main button. But that is so cute. If you wanted to jizz it up, you could by making a little sticker right there. But this is so adorable. Like I said, because it's pink, it matches the other set. I don't have the little kitchen set yet. That is on my list of things to get. This is very adorable. So once I do, I will probably build some type of room so I can have a little kitchen room, since now I have all these accessories. And then last but not least of this trio of my haul is the My Life as cooking set. So I'll be right back with that one. And here is the My Life as a cooking place set. It is so cute. I didn't want to open it yet so you can see the full packaging. This is what it looks like on the front. And this is what the back looks like. I'm loving the modern kitchen in the back. Even though the My Life as a kitchen does not look like that. I wish it did. Hint, hint, My Life as company. You know, you could use a modern little kitchen set. But anyway, let's crack this open, shall we? Because this is very different than the Our Generation in terms of packaging. It is also a little cheaper. I believe this set was $10.99. So there is a price difference between the My Life as and Our Generation company. So we have a little card here, and it actually teaches you how to make classic waffles. So if you wanted to make waffles with your kids, you have that. We have a little whisk. It is purple and gray. Very cute, very cute. Then we have, what is this? A little adorable bottle of maple syrup. It is amber in color. I did wish that it had some type of liquid in there, but it's still cool though. We have a little blue plates. What do we have here? A little gray fork. Let's see. Oh, I almost missed this. We have a little measuring cup. Very, very cute. It does have some, like the real measure cups, it does have some, oh, there you can see it there. It does have the measurements on there, so that is kind of cool. We have another set of measuring spoons. Now, unlike the Our Generation one, they're going for realism here in My Life as, because as you can see, they actually have the measurements on each spoon. So for comparison, here's the My Life as set. Here is the Our Generation set. This is a higher quality plastic, but as you can see, there's no wording. So I do kind of like that. We have a little box of pancake. It says pancake and waffle modeling clay dough. Oh, I didn't notice this when I was in the store. Hold up. I don't want to. We're gonna do it from the bottom because I don't want to mess this up. Okay, My Life as we actually have colored play dough in here, the color of pancakes and waffles. That is kind of cute. And then you can always put the box back so you can put it on your shelf or whatever. That's cute. I like that a lot. Here we have a little muffin pan, and then we have the little muffins. Now these muffins, they could use some color on them. I think I may take maybe some of my pastel chalks or something just to give these a bit more realism. It looks like these are blueberry and maybe strawberry. Not really sure, but they are very cute nonetheless. We have a bowl of strawberries here. I love the detail on these strawberries. We have another bowl of blueberries, because of course if you're making muffins, you need both of them. Oops, you need both of them. You need both blueberries and strawberries to make the muffins. So that's very cool. I do like the coloring. The coloring is actually very close to how they look in real life. I got buttery fingers today, guys. We have a carton of milk, because you need milk when you're baking. We have a little pan to make little pancakes with faces on them. Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. There you go, you can see it. The little faces. That's so cute. So if your kids wanted to take the little dough, put it in there and make little face pancakes, you can do that. That's adorable. What do we have here? We have a little bowl, a mixing bowl with some eggs in it. And you get 3 little white eggs and a pink mixing bowl. Now see, the only thing I don't like it's not color coordinated, because you have, as you can see, you have blue, you have purple, and now they're throwing pink into the mix. I would prefer it all to be one color, but hey, that's just me. You might feel differently. And then we have our heart-shaped wildfire iron. Now this isn't as heavy or as substantial as the Our Generation one, and the price point shows, because this is the cheaper price point, so they're using a lot of lighter plastic. But I like the details on this. It has the little grid wildfire iron, and it has the heart shape, and that's what it looks like closed. Has the little feet. I would prefer for these items to have little faux plugs and stuff like that for the full realism, but it is what it is. So I definitely adorably like that. And that's just the front, and it says make your own waffles and pancakes using the dough. So that is a really, really cute. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little haul of my life as and Our Generation little kitchen products, and I will be back soon with another video. And until then, bye bye.